The horizontal mattress suture is commonly used to close wounds under tension. It is sometimes used as a temporary stitch to hold the wound edges together whilst other sutures are placed. The first bite is from 4 to 8 millimeters from the wound edge and exits the dermis in the deep part of the wound. The second bite must be symmetrical to the first with an equal depth. Reload the needle in the opposite direction. The third bite has an equal distance from the wound edge and equal depth. The fourth bite completes the symmetry. Tie the knot starting with 2 turns. Significant eversion of the wound edge is produced on closure, so it is predominantly used for wounds that may invert with healing. Now 1 turn in the opposite direction. One final turn completes the knot. This stitch must not be over-tightened, as it will cause tissue strangulation and increased scarring.